2. Nice hit by jersey number 2, Evasco. Still on the deck, jersey number 7. Mendoza. Nice block on the side of Bacolod. Once again. First point for Mapili. Jersey number 8. Chance ball up by Mendoza. To Graho. Ball out. Service by jersey number 1. Mendoza to Graho. Nice hit by jersey number 11. Graho. Deadlock 2. Jersey number 5. Up by jersey number 7. To Tisoy. Mendoza. Nice hit by Graho. Point for Bacolod. 3 serving 2. On the deck, Evasco, jersey number 2. Targeting serve and ace, courtesy by jersey number 2, Evasco. 4 serving 2. Jersey number 2, still serving. Up by Mendoza. To Graho. There's a block. Mendoza. Up by jersey number 7. Chance ball on the side of Mapili. Libero. To Mendoza. To Graho. Sayang naman. Point for Mapili. Kabado ang lahat. In every point. Jersey number 11. Up by jersey number 7 to 11. Point for Mapili. Deadlock 4. On the deck, jersey number 11. Targeting position 5. Up by Clemente. To the top. Nice hit by jersey number 5. On the deck, the team captain 11, Tisoy. Graho to Mendoza. Nice jersey number 2, Ladimo. Deadlock 5. On the deck, jersey number 12, Opian. Tisoy up by Clemente. Nice shot hit by jersey number 19. 6 serving 5. On the deck, jersey number 5. Serve up by Mendoza to Ladimo. And he got a point. Deadlock 6. Dikit ang laban. On the service, the team captain, jersey number 7. Clemente, 1-2 play and successful. Out by Mendoza to Ladimo. matalas ang kanilang mga mata sa pagkita ng opportunity kung saan ibabagsak ang bola. Jersey number 7, Evasco, up by Clemente. A chance ball on the side of Mapili. Mendoza, Toladibo! Yes, walang nagawa ang Bacolod with that attack. Dalawa na ang kalamangan ng Mapili. 8 serving 6. Still on the deck, the team captain, jersey number 7, Evasco. Up by Clemente. Raho. Jersey number 2. Up by Clemente. Rivero. Latimo. Pitan. Nine. Serving 6. Still on the deck, the team captain, jersey number 7, Evasco. And that was a service ace, courtesy by the team captain, jersey number 7. Payaman Bacolod. Alright, back to the intense match of Bacolod and Mapili. And still lamang pa rin ng 4 ang Mapili. Then serving 6. And still on the deck, jersey number 7, the team captain, Tisoy. Up by Clemente to Hapitan. Push the ball. There's a whistle. Help ball violation on the side of Bacolod. So serving, jersey number 7, Evasco, up by Clemente to Habitan. Ball out, the top arrow. Anim. 6 points lead against Bacolod. And still on the deck, the team captain, jersey number 7, targeting Evasco, up by Habitan. Latimo. Arrow. Point for Bacolod. 7. Serving 12. Mendoza. Serving 7. On the deck, we have jersey number 2, Latimo. Up by jersey number 19 to Clemente. Drop. By jersey number 8. Bilis dun, ha? Service again by jersey number 2. Service ace. Libero, up by Clemente to Evasco. And that was a powerful attack. Courtesy by jersey number 2. Kita-kita doon sa libero ng Mapili. On the deck, jersey number 7. Nice block intense. Jersey number 7. Evasco. And he got a point without picking up. Bumabawi na ang Bacolod. The crowd goes wild. Jersey number 7 on the deck. Nadimo to Mendoza, 1-2 play. Raho to Mendoza, chance ball. Soy up by Mendoza to Graho. Ball not over. 11 serving 15. Ryan Mapili, gentle fist.
May pag-asa nga ba na baka ang puso ko magpapakita? Dahil makasilang
Alright, back to the ball game with a running score 11 serving 15. Ito na, bumabawi na ang Bacolod. On the deck, Clemente, jersey number 7. Service ace with the hook of the net. Buti na lang sa tulong ng net. Pero up by Mendoza, adjust. Ball still in play. Piscina got an error. 16 serving 12. Napili na lang another point. 17 serving 12. GC number 8 on the deck.
Ryan, magtatrak ka na! Ryan, maripon mo!
Point for Bacolod. Grabe naman ang supporters ng Bacolod. Jersey number 1. Mendoza to Braho. Napiling ka point. 18 serving 13. On the deck, jersey number 5. Mendoza. 19 is to Evasco. That's an error. Nineteen serving 13. On the deck, jersey number 5. Jersey by Mendoza, jersey number 5. 20 serving 13. Lima na lang. Jersey number 5. Point for Bacolod. Service by Evasco, jersey number 2. Up by Mendoza. Jersey number 21, serving 14. Service error, ball out. number 11, serving. Vasco up by Clemente through Habiran. Serving 15. On the deck, jersey number 12. Ball out. 16, serving 22. Jersey number 5 on the service line of Bacolod. Ball out, service error. Dalawa na lang to end the set. But tingnan natin kung papayag ang Bacolod. 23, serving 16. On the deck, the team captain, jersey number 7. Ball out. But there's a check. Service by jersey number 19. Up by 5 to Ladino. Libero. Trans ball on the side of Papingi. Libero up by Mendoza to Ladino. Service by jersey number 2, Ladimo. And Parents
Bisquare Inter-Barangay Volleyball Tournament Season 2 would like to thank the following sponsors: Fulieros Botox Builders and Design, You Dream, We Build, Botox Trading and Construction Supply, di kalidad at mura na, barato pa, My Cafe, basta kape, My Cafe, Mice Hotel and Resort, located at Barangay Caricaran, Bacon District, Sorsogon City, The Uragon Mover, Transports and Logistics, Fulieros Construction Supply, Fulieros Farm, and Botox News Online. Kakampi ng bayan, kakampi ng katotohanan. Also thanks to Governor Edwin Buboy Hamor, Caprohel Botox Fulieros, Congressman Manuel Wuwo Fortes, Councilor Attorney Gerson Fulieros Carino, Irusin Vice Mayor Christian Lim, Vice Mayor Felipe Guasa, Kap Totot Habok, Popo Londres, Councilor Ryan De Jesus, Councilor Ninita Dester, Councilor Ray Guab, Russell Baleza, Councilor Roy Balbidina, barangay officials of 25 barangays of Huban, tournament referees, and to all participating teams. Sa muli, marami pong salamat, former ABC President Cap Rohel Botox Mulieros, for turning this tournament into reality. Bisquare Inter-Barangay Volleyball Tournament Season 2 would like to thank the following sponsors: Fulieros Botox Builders and Design, You Dream, We Build, Botox Trading and Construction Supply, di kalidad at mura na, barato pa, My Cafe, basta kape, My Cafe, Mice Hotel and Resort, located at Barangay Caricaran, Bacon District, Sorsogon City, The Uragon Mover, Transports and Logistics, Fulieros Construction Supply, Fulieros Farm, and Botox News Online. Kakampi ng bayan, kakampi ng katotohanan. Also thanks to Governor Edwin Buboy Hamor, Caprohel Botox Fulieros, Congressman Manuel Wuwo Fortes, Councilor Attorney Gerson Fulieros Carino, Irusin Vice Mayor Christian Lim, Vice Mayor Felipe Guasa, Kap Totot Habok, Popo Londres, Councilor Ryan De Jesus, Councilor Ninita Dester, Councilor Ray Guab, Russell Baleza, Councilor Roy Balbidina, barangay officials of 25 barangays of Huban, tournament referees, and to all participating teams. Sa muli, marami pong salamat, former ABC President Cap Rohel Botox Mulieros, for turning this tournament into reality. This Square Inter-Barangay Volleyball Tournament Season 2 would like to thank the following sponsors.
Bacolod! Asa yung mga Bacolod? Mga bang magpili! Bacolod! Magpili! Pinili! Iwan! Oy! Okay, back to the ball game with our second set of this match. Service by Bacolod, jersey number 19. Graho. First point for Mapili Janelfes. Service by jersey number 8. By jersey number 8. Up by Clemente to Evasco. Check ball. Point for Bacolod. There's another infraction on the side of Mapili. Deadlock 2. Service by Clemente, jersey number 7. Targeting the libero. Up by Latimo to Graho. Great for Mapili. Service by jersey number 5. Habang Clemente to Evasco. Ito si Latino. Clemente, pero Deadlock 3. Rivero up by Mendoza and point for Bacolod. For serving 3. Service by jersey number 1. Up by the jersey number 5 to West Ares. But attack error. Naging lamok na ito. Naging lamok. Jersey number 1 on the deck. Libero up by Mendoza to Graho. And si 7 doon. Serving 5 on the deck. Jersey number 11.
Papaluwa si Wawa!
On the service deck, jersey number 2.
Go, Rigor!
Mendoza to Ladimo. Clemente to Habiran. Chance ball on the side of Bacolod. Hop, beaten again. Ebasco. Up by Mendoza to Ladimo. Drag! Nice shot by jersey number 2. Nandun po sa stage, iwasan po natin masyadong magalaw kasi yung live po natin. Thank you. Jersey number 12 on the deck. 7. Pick it up. Get out. Bad luck 6. On the deck, jersey number 12. Libero, up by Clemente.
Uy, crossing!
And Bacolod got a point. Service by Tisoy. Espayos. Point for Bacolod. 8, serving 6. On the deck, jersey number 11. Up by Clemente to Habiran. And a block point by jersey number 19. 9, serving 6. And still on the deck, jersey number 11. Want to play unsuccessful, up by Clemente. And another point for Bacolod. 10, serving 6. Time out, Mapili. Back to the ball game for our second set. Lamang pa rin ang 4 ang Bacolod. Then serving 6 on the deck, jersey number 11, Tisoy. Covering the libero, up by Mendoza to Latino. And another point for Bacolod. Still on the deck, jersey number 11. Service error. 7, serving 11. On the deck, we have the team captain, jersey number 7. Magaling de libero, up by Clemente to Habiran.
Bawi na kami! Bawi na kami! Bawi na natin.
Audience, wag po masyadong madikit sa players po. Madistansya na lang po konti. Thank you. Clemente to Habiran again. And Balen. Again sa ating audience, konting distansya lang po sa players bench. And same with Mapili. Padistansya na lang po yung mga audience sa players natin. Service by jersey number 5 on the side of Bacolod. Distansya lang po sa ating mga players. Right? Okay, back to the ball game. On the deck of Bacolod, jersey number 5. Up by Mendoza to Latimo. Sa position 3. Nice hit. 9-7-12. On the deck, jersey number 2. Chance ball. Follow back by Graho. 10-12. Libero up by Clemente to Hapitan. Tao sa likod ni Graho. 13-10. On the deck, jersey number 19, Habitan. Yan, to jersey number 5, to Graho. Blanca, access denied. 14, serving 10. On the deck, still serving, jersey number 19. Mendoza to Graho, drop. Nice drop by Graho. Service by jersey number 8. Up by Clemente to Evasco. Ball not over. 12, serving 14. And still on the deck, jersey number 8. Rivero. Up by Clemente. 1-2 play. Ball still in play. Ball out. Serving 12, serving jersey number 7. Up by Mendoza. There's a whistle. A crossing violation on the side of net touch on the side of Mapini. 16, serving 12. And still on the deck, jersey number 7. Mendoza to Bravo. Nice block by jersey number 11. On the deck, Mendoza, jersey number 5. Evasco, up by Clemente. Nice hit by Tisoy. Walang nagawa ang libero doon. 17, serving 13. On the deck, jersey number 1. Rivero, up by Mendoza to Graho. Counter hit by jersey number 11. 14, serving 17. Still on the deck, jersey number 11. Targeting de Libero, up by Clemente. With the tackle, na successful. Timo, Clemente to Evasco, jersey number 11. Access down. 15, serving 17. Jersey number 2. Ball out.
Mapili! Mapili!
16 serving 18. On the deck, jersey number 12. Service ace.
Mapili! 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 Mapili!
Isa na lang. Time out, Bacolod.
Go mapili! Nilagti! Mapiling nilagti! Mapiling nilagti!
Back to the ball game. 17 serving 18. Jersey number 12. Up by 7. Quick attack. Labimo. Rejo. To Labimo again. Rajo. Push the ball. Libero. Up by Clemente. To Tesoy. Push the ball. Spayos. To Labimo. Chance ball. There's a rally here. Ladimo. Wow. Save doon.
Bawi! Bawi! Bawi!
19 serving 17.
Mapili!
19 serving 17. On the deck, jersey number 11. Libero up by Mendoza to Latino. 18 serving 19. Service by jersey number 7. Jersey number 2. Gotcha! 19. Service by jersey number 7. Chance ball. Spires up by Mendoza to Latimo. Lamang na ngayon ang Mapili. 20 serving 19. On the deck, so serving jersey number 7. Bacolod, time out to shoot. Back to the ball game with a running score 21 serving 19. Lamang na ng dalawa ang Mapili. And still on the deck, jersey number 7. Vasco up by Clemente to Habitan. 22 serving 19. Service by jersey number 7. Habitan. Another point for Mapili. 23 serving 19 and still on the deck, jersey number 7. Watch point, Pili, Jarvis. Congratulations, Mapili Genovese. Worth a one service ace and 22 excellent sets. Jersey number 5, Mark Jalan Mendoza.
Inside, walking with you beside, guided by the grip of your hand. I can feel you holding my world. Ano ba itong nadarama? Oh, shucks, ito ba'y pag-ibig na?
Bisquare Inter-Barangay Volleyball Tournament Season 2 would like to thank the following sponsors: Fulieros Botox Builders and Design, You Dream, We Build, Botox Trading and Construction Supply, di kalidad at mura na, barato pa. My Cafe, basta kape, My Cafe. Mike's Hotel and Resort, located at Barangay Karikaran, Bacon District, Sorsogon City. The Uragon Mover, Transports and Logistics, Fulieros Construction Supply, Fulieros Farm, and Botox News Online. Kakampi ng bayan, kakampi ng katotohanan. Also thanks to Governor Edwin Buboy Hamor, Caprohel Botox Folieros, Congressman Manuel Wumo Fortes, Councilor Attorney Gerson Folieros Carino, Irusin Vice Mayor Christian Lim, Vice Mayor Felipe Guasa, Tap Totot Habok, Popo Londres, Councilor Ryan De Jesus, Councilor Ninita Dester, Councilor Ray Guab, Russell Baleza, Councilor Roy Balbidina, barangay officials of 25 barangays of Huban, tournament referees, and to all participating teams. Sa muli, marami pong salamat, former ABC President Cap Rohel Botox Molieros, for turning this tournament into reality.